Introducing Vision Plus Educational Expertise, BASF's knowledge arsenal of trainers and consultants who strengthen your customer base by developing experts within your business. Certification courses allow Refinish technicians to stay up to date on the latest products and equipment while reducing time out of the shop. Our instructors have worked in every aspect of the collision business, from spraying to distribution to marketing. They share a passion for mentoring their students with their decades of industry experience. Designed to help your business become more efficient and profitable, our courses vary in length, location, and content, including specialty OEM courses, increasing BASF technicians' unique skill sets, making you indispensable in the future of Refinish. You and your technicians will also enjoy our brand new e-learning platform. Never run the risk of expired certificates again, because it's easier now than ever for technicians to track their skills and certifications and learn at their own pace. BASF is committed to offering the best training experience through partnerships with industry leaders like ICAR and SCRS. Technicians can earn ICAR credits through BASF courses, allowing them to stay ahead of the technology, keep customers safe, and improve business performance. Our courses teach students how to streamline processes, maximize repair orders, negotiate with insurers, improve insurer relations, and reduce production cycle time, all while maintaining high customer satisfaction. To learn more about Vision Plus educational expertise, contact your local BASF sales rep or visit the BASF Refinish website today.